Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is the channel 6Rounds Studio. And today I'm going to make some small changes to the channel and I want to share that with all of you. The channel has become recognized by a lot of you as a firearms restoration channel. And in fact, that is a lot of what we do here. But I'm also a musician and a guitar builder. And I've been doing that much longer than this channel has even been alive or been around. More recently, I've been posting some of my guitar build videos on the channel, and they're actually starting to do pretty well. They're starting to compete pretty well with the firearms restoration videos. Now the change that I'm going to make is on Sunday, which has been my traditional upload day, I'm going to continue to upload all the firearms related content. And if you're new to the channel, there's plenty of playlists for the different firearms that we've restored here on the channel over the last many years. Now the change that I want to make is I want to upload more content on the guitar builds. And I'm going to do that on a Wednesday. So for those of you who came on board for the firearms, we're going to continue to do that on Sunday. For those of you who are more interested in the guitars, or maybe you're interested in both, I'm going to start uploading guitar content, guitar building content on Wednesdays. Now, again, I don't want to lose any of you guys because the channel is really beginning to grow. It's really beginning to show signs of life. So on Wednesdays, I am going to start, it probably won't be every Wednesday, but I'm going to start uploading more content on the guitars. We have several guitars in the stage of being built. I also have a guitar build Facebook page, WGR Guitars. It's on Facebook. You can go look it up if you're interested in guitars. What are we doing on guitars? Well, if you've been even remotely interested, I'm building two Tele style guitars right now. This is just one of them. This one's really coming out nice. I made this, the veneer on the top is old flooring from an old shoe mill, and before that woolen mill. So I managed to score some of those floorboards when the mill's being renovated into housing. Yeah, so I managed to score some of those old boards, and these things have been stained by the years of use, and it's really, this maple is really stunning. So I'm building a Tele style guitar out of this. There's another guitar that I don't have here right now, another Tele style that is all fiddleback maple. Fiddleback maple, like this, is actually used in the gun industry as well. A lot of that gets used on a lot of custom gun work, and the old German gun makers here in America, when they made the old flintlocks, they used a lot of fiddleback maple as well. I also have this 00 guitar that I'm making. It's a small bodied guitar. I call it my blues guitar because I love blues. So we're gonna try and get this thing built. It's almost done. The guitar is constructed. I've just recently did some work on the frets, getting those leveled and set up so that the action height will be the way it needs to be. Everything on this guitar was custom crafted by me. Everything, the inlays, everything. We did all that, the fret dots, I made all the fret dots, all of that kind of stuff. And we are now in the process of making the bridge nut and the bridge and the nut. So we're in the process of doing that right now. This guitar is so close to being done. It's actually getting exciting for me to be able to play this thing. One of the ones that is really exciting for me is this 1907 Gibson mandolin. This is back in the day when Gibson was actually in the company. So this is 1907. I got this because it was junk. And all the bones are here. So I want to try and actually restore this, because part of what we do on this channel is restorations. You know that if you've been here. So I want to get into restoring this Gibson mandolin. And then if it works, when I'm done, I might even try and learn to play the mandolin. I do not play mandolin, but I'm thinking that would be a really fun instrument to learn, even in my retirement years. So anyway, I'm looking forward to that. That'll be a fun where we talk about the restoration of this mandolin like we talk about the restoration of the firearms. It's the same mentality, it's the same philosophy, it's the same way of thinking your way through these things. So that's going to come up on we'll call it Guitar Wednesday. I don't know what to call it yet. If you have some ideas what we should call the musical instrument Wednesday, leave a comment and we'll see how that turns out. I don't want to lose you guys. I don't want you to unsubscribe. However, I do want to add this to the mix, and we're going to do it, like I said, on Wednesdays to separate the content from the firearms related content. Guys, I hope you support me on this. Hope you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you come around on Wednesdays and just show some interest maybe. Guys, I love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to me. And I will see you in the next video coming up. It'll either be guitars or it'll be firearms, because we got that 1907 we're working on too. Guys, I'll see you. Love you. Bye.